Good night. My name is Sebastián Orlando Nieves Ariza. Today I want to introduce my mascot. His name is Andino. He represents Colombia and country that has never hosted the FIFA World Cup. I create Andino to show the culture, traditions, and love for football in my country. This is Andino. He is an freelance Andean condor. He chose the condor because it is one of Colombia's national symbols. He wears traditional bowled hat or with football jersey with that number 10 and football shorts. He always carries at football because foot is the most popular sport in Colombia. His goal is to welcome people from all over the world. His goal is welcome people from all the world. My mascot includes six important cultural elements. The first one is the Colombia flag, white, it's yellow, blue, and red colors. The second is arepas, one of our most traditional foods. The third, cumbia, a famous Colombian style of music. The fourth is the Barranquilla Carnival, on one of the biggest cultural celebration in the country. The fifth is football because it brings people together. Final, the Andean condor represents freedom, strength, and the national pride. I believe that Andino is the best mascot for in the FIFA World Cup. He is freedom, cultural, and easy to remember. He represents Colombian tradition, hospitality, and cultural diversity. He shows the football can bring people for the different countries together. Football is more than a sport. It is the theater, respect, children, freedom, and fair play. My mascot represented these values. It won your voted for Andino and the next FIFA World Cup mascot. Thank you very much for your attention.